Let's do a little anniversary unboxing from Carolina Herrera. So excited about this unboxing. Hello friends, welcome back. My name is Brooke. If you don't know yet, I do a ton of fashion and lifestyle content. I love all things fashion. I love handbags. I love shoes. So since I have you here, if you like fashion, go ahead and hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any of my fashion videos. But thanks for tuning in. So back to it. It was my 4th year wedding anniversary with my husband, and we went out to a nice dinner, and before dinner we checked out the new Carolina Herrera fashion boutique in the River Oaks area. They have the CH store in the Galleria, but this Carolina Herrera store in River Oaks is their runway store. It was beautiful. It's only been open for about a week, so I got to go in, and for our anniversary, my husband said I could look through it and pick something that I wanted from the store. It was so beautiful. Very feminine energy, lots of pinks, lots of flowers. If you know Carolina Herrera, she's known for the beautiful dresses, the perfumes, the high heel perfume, but the store was overall just aesthetically pleasing. And without further ado, let me show you what I picked out. So let's do a little unboxing together. Beautiful bag. I just got my nails done. It's been a while, so I gotta do some nail drama. Dropped her on the ground. Don't want that. Pull this baby out. Yes, so I did get a handbag. Look at her. She's so cute and pretty. And then what really stood out to me was this chain. This is a fun bag. Let me get the chain out. So this beautiful chain piece right here. Reminds me of like a jewelry piece, and it has a little heart right here that's so cute. And I love the color. It's kind of like a raspberry or kind of like a berry red or a berry burgundy, and just magically, ironically, it matches my nails. I don't know how that happened, but I'm here for it. Super cute. I love her. She's really cute. It's kind of like a hobo bucket bag. I'll get into the details in a minute, but just did the unboxing. Let's start with what I always start with, the most important part, which is the price. This bag is listed at $1,310 US, and I haven't taken this bag out anywhere yet. I'm just doing the unboxing now. I literally just got it, so we can get into some of the details of this bag. It's 100% calf leather. It's made in Spain, and it comes with this detachable leather strap, so you can take the leather strap on and off, make it a crossbody bag or a top handle shoulder bag. And then this jewelry piece, this chain piece, is super cute. You can have the little heart that really caught my eye, caught my heart. And you could put like bag charms on this. The inside is open. That could be a negative for some people if you're not paying attention. Someone could just like reach and grab something out of your bag, but I'm pretty good about paying attention. I don't really go to crowded areas or crowded spaces. So the inside is open. The inside is unlined. It just has, the leather. It's nice. I love this bag. I believe it's called the Amore bag, and it comes in 3 different colors. It comes in this color, like a yellow color, and black, I believe. Giving you an up close. And then the bottom, it has some metal pieces at the bottom to help stand upright. The style and ways to wear this bag, like I had mentioned earlier, this is a either crossbody bag, or you could also, like I said, you could take the leather strap off and you could do top handle, you could do a shoulder bag, and really this is cute, like ways to wear it. You could do this year round, fall, spring, summer. Like I said, be careful in crowded areas or crowded spaces. I will be using this as like going a brunch bag with my girls, or like kind of like a daytime. You could do nighttime too, but like I said, just don't take it to crowded spaces, or I wouldn't. Sizing wise, this is a pretty good size. You can fit a lot of things in here, no problem. cell phone, wallet, keys, sunglasses, sizing right, it's not a problem, like I said. Next, durability. I just got this bag, so I can't speak on the wear and tear or the durability of this bag, but stay tuned. I try to keep you guys updated in the comments. But this was a sweet gift for my anniversary. Like I said, my favorite thing is the heart piece, the little heart charm stood out to me. If you have a opportunity, you live in Houston, go check out the new Carolina Herrera store in the River Oaks area. I will see you guys next time for my next video. I bought some fine pieces of jewelry that I'm really excited about that I will be doing a review soon on that, so be sure to tune in to my next video. As you know, I'll give you a up close and personal look at this bag, and I'll kind of show you how to wear it right now with my outfit, or how it looks as a crossbody, shoulder, and top handle bag. So stay tuned for that, and I will see you guys next time.